Hi, I'm Howard from Crazy Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 1080p webcam that I bought on Amazon for only like $19.95. I have a Logitech C920. They're used to be a lot less, now they're around $88, $90, $100. And this is, I think it's comparable. It's full HD 1080p, well, microphone in it. I don't know, it says fixed focus. We'll see what happens. I'm going to do an unboxing. I like the price, and $19.95, and then they have a 25% discount, so that even makes it only $15. Plus you have to pay for shipping unless you spend more than $25, which is very easy to do on Amazon. Let me do this unboxing. Just cut a piece of tape. Let's open it up. There it is. Cable connected to the camera. This is the camera, and it's got a mount that opens up, very similar to the Logitech. And the brand is Soleon, and it's made in China. And you just rotate that. You mount it to the back of your monitor. And I'm going to be testing it out in a little bit, but that's my unboxing. It's got a fairly long USB cable cord, and we're going to test it, and I'll be right back. Well, I'll be testing it on my PC. Oh, it's got a little shutter that you mount over the camera lens so that you can have privacy. And, whoop, there are the instructions. I thought there was no instructions. Of course, it's usually plug and play. All you do is plug it in and it works. So, just reading it over, and it's 1080p or 720p. 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is adequate. We'll see how it does. Be right back. Okay, I have the camera set up on top of my monitor. It's installed very easily with that kind of a rubbery mount, and let's plug it in, see how it plugs and plays. Should detect it, and I'll run OBS Studio. As you could hear, it found it. Let's see what happens. It says setting up a device. And it's ready. Okay, let me run OBS Studio. Let's see what it looks like. I like OBS Studio for recording and streaming. Full HD version webcam. Ooh, looks pretty good actually. Very good colors. You couldn't tell, but let me move the window over, and there you go. Wow, it's pretty good. I like it. And what I'll do is I'll check the audio. Audio is not connected, so I gotta select audio capture. I'm testing the camera in OBS Studio at 1920 by 1080. I had to set the resolution, and I'm testing the audio. Audio is working, and it's a widescreen, what I'm looking for. And I'll be right back. I'll see how it sounds and how it recorded. I have actually low light right now, but we'll see. So far it's looking pretty good. It looks clear to me on my monitor. The camera says it's fixed focus, and I can show you the manual, but it does focus. It does focus on the manual, so it's working good. Well, I'm back, and this camera is really good. I am under low light conditions. The picture is very clear, the audio sounds good. It's not real bassy, but it does sound good. And I think it is comparable to Logitech, which I've been using a lot. There are some differences because the Logitech has autofocus, this one doesn't, but it seems to be very clear. So if you like Crazy Tech, please subscribe. The subscribe button is in the upper right hand corner. More tech reviews and some crazy things. So please subscribe. Thanks a lot.